I'll show you some of the greatest chess traps that can help you win faster, starting with the early queen. We'll bring the queen out right away. If this noob tries pushing our queen away with his pawn, he loses on the spot. If he watches Gotham Chess, he will find this best move. Now, the only thing you can do is threaten checkmate and pray he took chess advice from Hans the Moon. If he sees through your trap, just develop your pieces and play on. Elephant Trap. Are you tired of Queen's Gambit players? Well, they might fall for this trap. It looks like you can't recapture because your knight is pinned, but you can actually sacrifice your queen and win it right back. You're going to be up a knight in this position. Noah's Ark. We're going to go into Ruy Lopez, a common opening. The trap happens when your opponent tries trading these pawns. Push the bishop away and capture the pawn. This was a big mistake since we can trap his bishop now. No matter what white does, that bishop is ours. Legal Trap. What would you play in this position? That's right, you're supposed to sacrifice your queen. If he captures the queen, you checkmate him. If he grabs your knight, you still win material. Greek Gift Sacrifice. This is a nice trap against French players. It happens right after black castles in this position. Black will have to sacrifice his queen to prevent checkmate. Caro-Kann Trap. Don't play against Caro-Kann like this. These guys prepared for that. Rather play with your knights like this, and in every other game they might fall for this checkmate trap. Fried Liver. In this position, we threaten to fork black's queen and rook, so they have to push their pawn up. It's only natural to recapture with the knight, but this is a horrible move. We fork them anyways, so they have to capture with their king, and now we finish them. Blackburn Shilling. So in this position you found yourself in dozen of times, play this move. They will capture your pawn and threaten a fork, but ignore that and move your queen out. If they get greedy, they will lose. Checkmate. Budapest Trap. We're going to gambit our pawn, but we go to win it back with our knight easily. If he makes this blunder in the meanwhile, we win the game. Sicilian Trap. We enter this standard Sicilian position and gambit a pawn. This bishop's role is to potentially deflect the king from the queen. This is a pawn hook. Black doesn't have a good square for his knight, so he has to capture instead of running away. In this position, we win the queen. Damiano. This can occur in low-rated games. Since this is the worst move that black could have possibly played, we are winning the game right away. Petrov defense. If black mimics you, grab their pawn in this position since there's a chance they will make a huge blunder that will lose them the game. French Trap. A perfect trap for your friend that only knows how to play French defense. Every French game looks something like this. Putting your bishop there tricks them into thinking they can win a pawn, but they'll end up losing their queen to a check. Scandinavian Trap. Every single human will take this free pawn, and when you attack it with your knight, they'll defend it with theirs. When you offer them a trade, they'll gladly accept it. Now they'll feel like your knight is an eyesore, so they'll push it away, but that'll cost them the game. Fishing pole. In Ruy Lopez, after white castles, we're going to taunt him with our knight. If he captures it, he opens a way for our queen to deliver a checkmate. I'll be making similar videos, subscribe to see them, and solve this puzzle if you can.